Now here we will solve. There is one more question in 27 which is given in OR for same 27. So there are two questions here. So either the earlier one, first one, or the second one you have to attempt. Okay, all right. So here they are saying that the ages of two students. So there is one student called A, there is another student called B. So A's age they have given as 19 years and B's age they have given as 15 years respectively. Find how many years will it take so that the product of their ages become equal to 480. So they are asking us that today the age of A is 19 and the age of B is 15. But after how many years, when their age, what will be the age of A and what will be the what will be the age of B, and if that will be multiplied, okay, after how many years, after how many years A's age and B's age, when they will be multiplied, okay, say for an example after say uh, 3 years, okay, so after 3 years what A's age will say it will become say 22 and his B's age will become 18. So then 22 into 18 if we do, then for an example, then we need to get 480. So after how many years, when we will take both their ages and multiply, the product will be 480. That is what they are asking. After how many years? Okay, after how many years, if you multiply both these ages, the product will come to 480. That is what they are asking. So we'll write it down now. So A's age, okay, A's age they have given as, okay, right now they have given as 19 years, okay, 19 years. And B's age they have given as 15 years, 15 years. So we will let after X years we will say, because we don't know, we have to find out X years the product of A and B will be 480. Okay. So therefore, so after X years, we don't know how many years is X, we have to find out. So after X years, okay, A's age will be 19 plus X, right? And B's age will be 15 plus X, because we have to find out how much is X. So after say 4 years, 5 years, when we will add these 5 years in 19 or 5 years in B, and when we will multiply uh, both their ages, it should come to 480. So after how many years, okay, after how many years, that is why I have taken X. So that is what we have to find out. So the product is 480 they are saying. So according to the question, so I have to take 19 plus X, okay, and multiply it with the age of B after X years, and the product will be coming to 480. Now we'll solve it further. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break and multiply here. I'll take 19, I will multiply once with 15 and once with X, and then I will take X, I will multiply with 15, and then once again I will take X and I will multiply with this X. So 19 into 15 will give me 285 plus 19 into x will become 19x. X into 15 will become 15x. X into x will become x square is equal to 480. Now I'll send this 480 to the other side. I'll solve it here. So this will become 285, and I can add these two things, right? 19x and 15x. So this will become 34x. So plus 34x. Okay, 34x plus x square minus 480 is equal to 0. Now I'll just, while writing, I will just correct the order. So I'll first write x square, then I will write 34x, and then we'll solve these two things here. So it will become minus 195 is equal to 0, because we can, solve this particular term and this particular term, and this is bigger number, so bigger number sign. So minus 195 is equal to 0. Now if you see this has become a quadratic equation, right? So here what we'll do, we will so using the middle term split, we will solve this. So uh, here we need two numbers, to split this. So once we subtract, we need to get 34, and once we multiply, we need to get 195. So the numbers are uh, 39 minus 5. This will give us 34, and 39 into 5 will give us 195. So these are the two numbers. So I will write plus x, and in bracket I will write 39 minus 5 minus 195 is equal to 0. So middle term split means we will take this middle term and we will split in two different numbers. Okay, a single number is split into two numbers. This is called as middle term split method. Now x square plus 39x minus 5x, and multiplying x once with this and once with this. Okay, very simple. 195 is equal to 0. We will remove some common, something from this and something from this. So x plus 39 minus 5 and x plus 39, because 39 into 5 is 195, right, is equal to 0. So these numbers are same, so we will write it once here. Okay, you should get same numbers here in this bracket and this bracket, and we will see these two numbers if they are same, and once we will write it down. Okay, by seeing these two things, if they are same in the bracket, once we have to write it down, and the outside numbers we will write one time in the bracket together. Okay, and is equal to 0. Now we have to equate it to 0. So this will equate to 0. So x plus 39 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 39, and x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 5. Now guys, here x we had taken as, number of years. So number of years cannot be, a person's life, the number of years cannot be negative. So this is wrong and this is right, because years cannot be negative. Okay, so x is equal to 5 is correct. So the answer is, after 5 years, the product of A's age and B's age, okay, will be 480. Alright, so this is our answer. So guys, what we will do, we will verify it also and we will also understand it. So for understanding also it will become better, and also we will verify and we will see whether our answer is correct. So the A's age, what we took, 19 plus X we took, right? And B's age we took 15 plus X. So 19 plus X, X value is how much? X value we got as 5. So 19 plus 5 if we do, we will get 24, and 15 plus 5 we do, we will get 20. So A's age after 5 years is 24 and B's age after 5 years is 20. And if we will multiply 24 into 20, we will get 480. So this shows that our answer is correct and we have verified it and also understood it. Okay. Alright.